Today I'm going to be interviewing my younger brother, William. He's 17 years old and a senior at Henley High School. So, William, how long have you been woodworking?
Well, I've been woodworking for around 4 years, since around beginning of my freshman year, really.
And how did you get interested in this hobby?
Well, when my uncle got out of the military, he wanted to teach me and my little brother how to do woodworking, and my brother and I thought it would be fun and interesting.
So, what kind of woodworking do you do?
I mainly do fretwork scroll sawing.
And what does scroll sawing look like?
This is an example of some scroll saw work. This is obviously a tractor that I did. I did it my freshman year and then entered it into the Klamath County Fair where I got champion for small construction.
Have you won any other kind of awards for your work?
I actually have entered stuff each year into the Klamath County Fair, and this past time I entered this Italian fretwork clock that I did, and I got champion for small wood construction and reserve grand champion for all the stuff that was entered.
Thank you so much for talking to me today, William.
Thanks for talking to me. It was fun.
So what does scroll sawing look like?
Well,
And it's upside down. It's awkward too because the camera angle's weird. What does scroll sawing like that?
well, this is an example of scroll sawing. This is
Stop laughing though.